Hello, everyone. Today, we will debug our ground station code, which is written in Python. First, let's run the ground station. As you can see, our KMU Ground Station is now running. Next, we will refresh the COM ports and connect to the correct one. After connecting, we will check if the switches are functioning correctly. The battery voltage has been updated, and switch C is working as expected. Now, let's check switch A. Since the throttle is on, switch A is not working and buzzer if working under failsafe properly. When we toggle switch A up and down, the remote isolates, and we can verify that the AHRS data is also being received and displayed correctly. Now, I will close the raw data view and start saving the flight data. You can see that our attitude and split values are being read, and the attitude and heading indicators are working perfectly. The speed and other values are not showing for now, but we will continue to update and improve the system. Thank you.